Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zavedi from Karma Healing again today, bringing you the next week reading. That is the reading for next week that starts from 18th of July till the 25th of July. So let's go ahead and start our reading. I just want to cleanse my card first, so let's go ahead and cleanse the card. Cleansing the card first, so any blocked energies or energies that are attached to the cards are released. This is sage that I'm using, just for your knowledge. And like always, please do like, share and comment on my YouTube channel and ring that bell. I'm also on Facebook as well as Instagram, so please go ahead and like my page there too. It would be a great help and a good encouragement from you guys, so I can keep on making good videos for you. So let's go ahead and start the reading for the next week. That's for 18 July till the 25th of July. So as usual, we are just going to go ahead and read the cards. These are according to the sun signs. So first, I'm going to go ahead and remove 3 cards for Aries. 3 cards for Aries. The week for Aries is going to be superb. I did get a major arcana, that's the sun, the brightness, the glory, and you will be in that kind of a mood in this week. It's like total that kind of leadership kind of a thing. You are going to feel that on the top of the world this week. So the card is really good. It is also targeting mainly on relationships. So there is chances that you are going to maybe build new relationship, or you are going to find new friends. There is also a balance needed, but then it is also showing that you yourself will build the balance. It will come naturally to you this week. If you see, in all, this week is going to be super for Aries people, financially, career wise, health wise also. There's no problem. You are going to be on the top of the world with full of energy this week. The great bright energy that you'll be having this week. So it's something like you're going to accomplish everything. But there's also one thing, when this card comes, you have to be very careful about overconfidence and your ego. So just stay balanced with that thing this week, and your week is going to be super. So let's go ahead and do the other sign. After Aries, it's Taurus. So let's go ahead and do Taurus quickly. 3 cards for Taurus. Cards for Taurus. For the Taurus people, it's mostly this week is targeting the finance part of it, the money. And it's a good week because the cards are good, and I do see money coming your way. There is money that has been long waited for. I see it coming your way. There are chances that there is a growth in your financial conditions. Where relationship are concerned, I do see it's a normal thing, as like it was before. It's going to be a pleasant relationship. There's nothing to worry about this week. Career wise also, it is also growth because there is finance coming. So career wise also, you will see some kind of a growth coming your way. Health looks perfectly all right, so you don't have to worry about much. But you have to be little careful of the people who are not happy with your progress. So that's one little thing that you have to worry about in this week. Otherwise, financially, this week is going to be superb for you because it's mostly pentacle cards. So it is more targeting on the finances. Some good news, some good coming where your money is concerned is going to be this week for Taurians. Gemini. Quick 3 cards for Gemini people. For the people born under the sign of Gemini, the week is going to be okay. There is a lot of burden or there is a lot of tension that is going to come to you this week. You can say you are taking tension for no reason, so don't worry about it. It's just a burden that is caused by you by overthinking or thinking too much for no reason. So it should be okay. Of course, there is a growth that is showing up after taking so much burden. There will be some kind of a light, some kind of a positivity, some kind of growth that will come your way. Also, relationship wise, I see a growth. There are chances you are going to meet new people, make new friends. So overall, if I see Gemini people, yes, there is going to be a little bit of stress and burden coming your way, but I do see growth and I do see relationship growth coming your way too. So it's a mixed kind of a week for you guys, but it is going to be pleasant and nothing to worry about. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for, let's see, Cancer people born under the sign of Cancer. Let's do 3 cards for them. Okay, quick 3 cards for Cancer. For the people born under the Cancer sign, yes, I do see the week is good. I see you're going to meet new people. The relationship is going to be wonderful. People who are single are going to meet someone whom they will gel with or they will get along with, and there is new relationship building. So that's a good thing. Plus there is also, but the card is also showing that you need to balance your work, your relationship and everything. It is not something that you just go behind one thing and forget about another thing. There is a lot of balance that is going to be needed this week in your life. So this week is superb. You're going to attract good relationship and everything, but also it is also showing that you need to balance your life like I told you, and very, very, very careful about people backbiting you or people doing something wrong behind your back that you don't know about. Maybe there are chances of robbery, there are chances of someone stealing something from you. So just be very careful this week about all those things. Yes, relationship wise I see a very good week. Otherwise, if you see, you just need to be careful about the people, about negative people, about robbery, some kind of stealing or something that would be taken away from you. So financially, if you see, you just have to be careful. Relationship wise, it's a good thing because you will be building new relationship. Health also looks fine, and career is fine overall. So overall, this week is going to be okay for Cancer people. Now we'll go ahead and do Leo. People born under the sign of Leo. 3 cards for them. People born under the sign Leo. The good thing, first I'll tell you, the good thing about this week is you are going to build new relationship. You're going to meet new people. That is going to be really, really helpful in your future, and it's going to be a long-term relationship for Leos. But that somewhere this week, Leo people are going to feel tied up, are going to feel like they want to do so many things this week, they want to attract so many work, they want to attract so much finance, but they are not getting the way. They feel like I'm tied up. There are instances where you want to do a lot of things, but sometimes you get tied up due to finance. You can't invest. So that kind of feeling is going to come to you, Leo people, this week. Plus you are going to be very, very, very careful about your finance, about your the things, the investment that you have done. You want to be very, very, it is going to, you can say, going to be in your mind the whole week, coming week, how much I have invested, how much I have saved. So financially, that is the stress, that kind of a stress is going to be continuous with you in the coming week. But yes, you will have a good relationship, or you will find a good relationship where it will be little better for you, because whoever you're going to meet is going to be helpful to you, is going to emotionally take care of you. So that kind of tension and that kind of worry would not be that much this week. But yes, Leo people, you just have to take it a little easy this week. Be happy with the new relationship you are building, but try to stay calm and peaceful, and this week will be going fine for you guys. Virgo, people born under the sign Virgo. Quick 3 cards for the people born under the sign of Virgo. Let's do it. People born under the sign of Virgo, yes, you are going to find new relationship. Again, Virgo people, you're going to meet people who are going to be really helpful to you, who are going to make you feel better this week. So that's a very good card. But then there are chances, there are a lot of negative thoughts going in your mind right now. So whatever you see through your dreams or see through your thoughts, all negative thoughts is affecting you somewhere health wise. So you have to be very careful where your health is concerned, Virgo people. Also, there is some kind of you can say whatever you are waiting for, the result, or whatever you are waiting for to get an answer for is going to come this week. The justice will be done. Or there are also chances that whatever court case or whatever legal things that are going on going on for so long, you will find either the outcome for that thing, or maybe you are going to find a result, or maybe the final decision is going to be made on that case maybe this week. So somewhere where law is concerned, something regarding the law might come to you this week, but your thoughts are constantly going on and on. That might give you dreams, and that might give you negative thoughts and everything that might cause you some health problems. So you have to be very, very careful where your health problems are concerned. Don't neglect it. Second thing is, yes, relationship wise, if I see, it's going to be a very good week for you, because you are going to come in contact with some people who are going to be very helpful and who are going to make you feel better emotionally. So that's for Virgo. Now we'll go ahead and do 3 cards for Leo. Three cards for Leo. Sorry, my mistake. This is 3 cards for Libra. Leo, we already did it. So this is the 3 cards for Libra. So if you see for the Librans, yes, they are going to have a little bit of tension where their money is concerned, where their finance is concerned. Yes, they are going to be overall thinking about, like, where will I invest this money, or where have I invested this money? I have put it in the fixed deposit. Is the interest coming right? So all that thoughts are going to go in your mind this week. Where finance is concerned. Yes, there is possibility of little bit of setback where your finance is concerned. Maybe you might have invested somewhere where the good news has not come or is not coming, the investment is not going right. So that kind of issues might come with the Librans. Also, they have to be health wise, if I see, they have to be very, very careful where their legs are concerned. There are chances they might hurt their leg, or maybe hurt a toe or something related to the leg. So they have to be very careful while walking or doing any kind of that kind of exercises. Also, I do see opportunity coming for Librans, so it's a very good thing. Something that they would move forward. So some forward movement in whatever they want to do is coming this week. So it will show them a forward movement in that. Maybe it's a business related deal, or maybe it's something that you are thinking of doing. A moment of ahead, it means you are seeing the movement that is coming this week. So that movement will be felt this week, that the work is pushing itself ahead, kind of a thing. Yes, but tension regarding your health is a little bit worry this week, and you are taking a lot of tension where your finance is concerned. So just chill, take it easy, and be positive this week. So now, after the Librans, we'll go ahead and do Scorpio. Three cards for Scorpions. Three cards for Scorpions. for the people born under the sign of Scorpio, yes, there is a moment coming this week. The work is going to, you are feeling the work is going ahead with you, but also the cards are guiding me to tell you that how much you will put in the hard work, that much you will get. So you have to work hard this week if you want to see the result in your work. Also, there are emotions that are involved this week. Somewhere you will be confused, like should I do this or should I do that? So you have to sit idle, take a deep breath, meditate and come to a decision, because it is going to cause you a lot of confusion this week. So Scorpions, just take it easy a little bit and try to work hard for whatever you are expecting. So if you want to expect something, that amount of money particular, then you will have to work towards it. Whatever, if it's a relationship, you will have to work towards it. So if your health, you have to work towards it. So this week is saying to you, the cards are saying is, you put in whatever hard work and then you will get the result out of it. So how much you work, you get out of it, you know. So that's going to be your week, Scorpions, but it looks fine. Don't worry, stay positive. Everything should be fine. Now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius. Three cards for Sagittarius. People born under the sign Sagittarius, I do see good things coming your way. Maybe you'll purchase a new house, new vehicles, a celebration, you know, family celebration coming your way. So that's a very, very good card, you know. It is like a celebration, you know, something like after a long time is going to be coming, and you know, it's going to give you happiness. But at the same time, the card has also guided me to tell you that there are chances that there might be a moment, or there might be you will move to a place, and then you have to be very, very careful about your mother's age, you know, the female energy. So just be very careful about their health this week. Otherwise, you know, the cards are fine. You are going to have celebration, family celebration is good. New things are coming your way this week. Something new you will buy this week, you know, you will celebrate this week. But at the same time, you have to be very careful where your mother's health is concerned, or any lady whom you are close to, you know, will have some health problems. So just be very careful about that. Otherwise, if you see a relationship is okay, health wise you are okay, but you have to be very careful about you know, the elder person, or your mother or your grandmother or someone whom you are close to, you know, their health problems. Career wise, it's the same as it was before. I don't see any improvement. So that's it for now for Sagittarius. Now quick 3 cards for Capricorn. For the Capricorn people, I do see mixed emotions coming this week. There are chances you will be confused. You cannot come to a conclusion this week, you know. So your mind is going to be totally going if but, something like that, you know. Should I do this or should I do that? Should I invest in that or should I not invest in it? So this week is a little bit going to be confusing, and little bit emotionally you are going to feel a little down this week. But that's just this week and it shall pass. There will be an elderly person, maybe your uncle, your father, your grandfather, someone who is going to come and help you in getting you out of this confusion. They will work as a guidance to you. Also, the card is guiding me to let you know if you can donate or feed someone, you know, that would be a very good thing for you. You might, you know, get good opportunities. So something that is like, you know, feeding the poor, or you know, donating some clothes to poor, some kind of donation is needed this week to get your life better. Also, in general, if I see, the relationship is fine, the career is fine. Health wise, I would say you just need to be careful a little bit, because you are in that state of emotions and confusion. It might cause you you know, headaches, more of headaches or migraines if you are into it, the sinus and all those things, you know, something related to your pressure maybe, because you are you are thinking too much, and you are not having clear thoughts. So this can be your health issues. But otherwise, if I see the card, if I see for Capricorns, the week is going to be okay, and they should be fine. Think positive, everything is going to be fine. We're going to do Aquarius now. 3 cards for Aquarius. Cards for Aquarius. For the people born under the sign of Aquarius, I do see a little bit of traveling coming their way. Next week you might be traveling where your job is concerned, where your career is concerned. So definitely, where basically it's due to work that you'll be traveling. So there might be a little work related travel next week. There is also chances that whatever result you're looking for, or waiting from anywhere, where your contract is concerned, or from your job is concerned, or from anywhere is concerned, this week is something that you will get some notice, or so you will get some kind of answer to that, but be very careful when signing a contract or signing a paper this week. There might be some law that you need to study properly before doing anything. Otherwise there are chances that you might get involved into a court case or something like that. So just be very careful with that. Also, I do see an elderly figure in in your life who is going to be a really help to you this week. So just be thankful to them, and they are going to be there for your support. So in general, if you see career wise, it's okay. Relationship wise also, it's the same. However it's going, it's not going to change much. Health wise, it's the same. So there is nothing that you have to worry about, Aquarius people. Just be careful about what you sign, and just whatever, any case papers or anything you're signing, just be very careful about it. Otherwise your week is going to be fine. Stay positive. Now the last sign, and that is Pisces. Oops, it already gave me the 3 cards. So let's go ahead and take those 3 cards. Let's see, what are the 3 cards for Pisces that has fallen. Okay, for the Pisces people, I do see you are going to meet your family, you're going to meet your parents, you're going to meet your grandparents, and it's going to be a very happy week for you. But somewhere, if I see where your career is concerned, or if you say your relationship is concerned, something that you are not seeing it properly, you are not looking around properly, you are just going in that one direction, and that too with your closed eyes. So somewhere it cannot be the right thing for you. You need to explore the other opportunities and explore the surrounding, before you make any kind of decision. So just don't just don't close your eyes and keep on doing the things you're doing. Open your eyes, see the opportunities around you, and see how it's going to help you to grow. Also, I do see where the opportunities are concerned, I do see a lot of opportunities coming your way. Now it's in your hand to grab it or not to grab it. Okay, so next week is going to be something where you will get opportunities, but you are the person who has closed your eyes and you don't want to see the opportunities coming your way. So this is the week. Open your eyes, see the opportunities coming your way, and grab it. Okay, so don't let it go, because the cards are saying there is something that is going to come to you this week, but you have not yet realized it, or you are with your closed eyes sitting and not realizing it. It's coming your way. So this week, just be very careful what opportunities are coming your way. Open your eyes and grab the opportunities. So that's it for Pisces. Pisces people, stay positive. Okay, so we are done the reading for the week of 18th July till the 25th July, and that's it. And as always, like I tell you, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ring that bell icon. I will be really grateful to you. And I also have a FB page, Facebook page and Instagram page, so please go ahead and do like that page there. I will give you the address of those pages in my description. In case I do need to make any changes or if I need to improve on my videos, please do write in the comment. I will try to do my best. Also, thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay positive.